15 on 252 is a story problem. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. Says a pool charges $4 for every visit. So it would be $4, $4, $4, $4. What operation is it if it's over and over and over? Multiplying, because I'm adding it over and over, that's multiplying. Or we can buy a membership. How much is the membership? Where did you see that? It doesn't say it in the paragraph. And so you have to look careful. So we could do $4 times ever many visits we do, or you can just pay $100. It says write and solve an inequality to find out how many times a person should use the pool so the membership is less expensive than paying every time. We do this. We do this at my house because we go to the Y and I only need to do swimming lessons, and then sometimes I do some lap swimming and stuff on my own. And we've decided so far that I don't go enough for us to get a membership yet. We did this problem, okay? Not to pay $5 every time I go, so it's pretty close. So how do I figure out if I pay every time how much I pay? Do we know how many times I go? Nope. So it's going to be what? How would I do that part of it? What times X? Not $5. This problem, not my problem. 4. So it's going to be 4x. And do we want this to be less than or more than $100? We want to find an equality to find out how many times a person should use the pool so a membership is less expensive than paying every time. So which way does it go? If we want the membership to be less expensive, so we want it to point here or here. If this is the less expensive one. Good, towards 4x, because we want this part to be less than this part. Doesn't matter, we're not done. So, how many times, well, how are we going to get that x all by itself if it's multiplied by 4? What are you going to do? Go ahead, Caden. What's the opposite of multiply by 4? There you go. Divide by what, buddy? If I divide this side by 4, what do I have to do over here? Hold on, is this positive or negative? So do I change anything? Nope, it's just straight up. Okay, draw a big old line. So I have to do what? Yep. So what does this mean in terms of the situation? That I have to go what? And they want to know just less expensive. So I have to go, how many times should I use a pool? I have to use it exactly 25. Is there an equal sign? No, I have to use the pool how many? More than 25. So I need to use the pool more than 25 times. So the membership is less expensive. Do you see how we take the symbols and make the words? I know it didn't ask you to do that, but I think I want you to. I think that that's the tricky part, okay? And I promise the longer you're here in middle school, the more you have to do that. Notice I have a capital letter and a period because it's a sentence. And that's what writers do. They capitalize and punctuate regardless of where they're at. Social studies or science or math class.